Welcome back to the PAM Insider. This mini-series called PAM SLAs, The Promises That Matter. In the last episode, we explored how SaaS and on-prem deployments shift the SLA burden between vendors and customers. Today, we're going to look at how the leading PAM vendors actually stack up when it comes to their SLA promises. On the surface, most PAM SLAs look alike. Uptime percentages, support response times, and patching commitments all sound solid. But once you dig into the details, the differences are significant, and they can directly impact how much trust you can place in your vendor. BeyondTrust, for example, publicly commits to 3 nines uptime. That sounds reasonable, but their SLA includes carve-outs for maintenance windows and other exclusions that can leave you facing more downtime than the number suggests. CyberArk has times claimed to be 4 nines availability for its cloud identity services. Impressive on paper, but much of that depends on premium support tiers and doesn't always apply uniformly across their full product line. For many customers, that means the promise you thought you were buying may not actually cover every environment you depend on. Delinea, for example, takes a different stance. The Delinea Platform now guarantees 4.5 nines uptime, without carving out maintenance windows or tying commitments to premium support packages. That decimal shift equates to a massive business differentiator. At 3 nines uptime, you could face more than 8 hours of downtime per year. At 4.5 nines, downtime shrinks to 26 minutes. And there's another differentiator, transparency. Anyone in the world can visit status.delinea.com to see live service status and historical uptimes. No logins, no buried reports, no waiting for quarterly summaries, just open accountability. That raises the important question for any CISO. Does your vendor give you the same visibility? Or are you forced to rely on their marketing slides when discovering downtime from your own monitoring tools? Transparency builds trust, and in PAM, trust is the real currency of any SLA. So that's the vendor comparison, and let me stress here, I'm speaking as the PAM insider and not a Delinea employee. However, I do have insider knowledge, I guess. But a promise is only as good as the moment it's tested. In our final episode, we'll show you what happens when SLAs fail in the real world, and why having a partner you can actually reach out after hours matters more than percentages on paper. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss the finale.